Eya. Na wo ka se me kɔ. Menya nkɔ. Metete nkwa nkyɛn ya. Asra kɛse nkɔma wo. Ye kɔ ya yaba. Menim sɛ nipa dodo na afe TheBonahShow, but ɛtɔra bi a mo amu ni mabrabɔ no. Saa ne tie. Wa na de ho akote na wasa aba. Because say we dedicate you a platform so they kind of cry. Both physical and spiritual. Also, you're ready for some challenges. I don't know. You can tell. It drew a also baby D now hernia echo. Now study the diplomatic condition of our entertainment industry. No what's our back. But this time round, no, yeah, but it's how we not day. Hey, yo. Hey, yeah. Mamin can for lemfi, Emma, metaphor. Say, oh, I'm on wa brutre. Now, per se, udisika e free, I'm on eko Ghana. And it is some kese pan say, Yusu lemfi. The entire may come for lemfi, ama oni. Uni se sikabi abe senti biya 2%. A free 50 aircon 2%. Lemfi this is canasa ama back. Nanse minya a little issue be ofie na say sabi. Yedi sika kofie ni yedi ko sorting yoma. Therefore sika me de koye no. Asa dwumana no mudi no na akakakra. Enu nti no omo mudi dwumane sa frame say oh Andy sika no aka. And I'm say sika. Na me come lemfi mu akoye biem ama omo. De mi hu ya ne say lemfi say Bonah. Sika dodo na wo send koye no 2% cash back na yesade ma oni enie. Therefore sika lemfi sade ma me back no ba je say sika no say me sade free me am account mu komo omo no man you see me sika bie mo eye cash back na lemfi for e de ma me no eno na me sade sende omo mu di dwuma wo Ghana no eno nti me mpese me nkwa me enjoy lemfi eno nti na me kan for amount uni lemfi a ene dua me therefore download bi gu mobile phone so na your first timer na open referral code and also a sabe ma cashback mo aside even the 2% na you see Bonah BONAH as referral code. Menka sabe brave. Okay. Dodo na munim Tili akua nipa no mon tag na me. Tili. Me hu u video no na ni a me pese me ka kire onyina ani. Ye nyina ye TB ye waso ye wani ye hu ni aikoso. I don't want to even go there. But the thing is, Tili said wa unim no. Ye showbiz industry and I say ye entertainment space, you know. Respect be anyhow. Nye tosum yenu. Obia owo bia ya aggressive. Ye creative space, you know. Metima catch or say omo ye creative sanka so more that yen environment no omo even 10% to and to obia de any brand wo by force be ana penetrate and omo buy no they can't fit into the system. What the environment is a creative environment. Now a bia sabi uni creative idea bia wo ebia wad match dey very different. In fact be about creative art. But the name so person can so now be a Ghana for yento no. The thing is why you say omo joining the creative art industry. And until buy no, they will do everything to stay relevant. And omo ntimi nya bibia ye creative. E ma ye mfa hu omo. And until they also mo ya ne say omo attack a man for both physical and spiritual. Nia e course so e wo Peace FM no. Mami, entwa ye. Ghana nyina adi adanse say entwa ye. Because say all representing a brand like Stone Boy, you want say me okre ni say pie free wa no. Official PR. Dabi. Because Stone Boy nipa on pe basa. Stone Boy nipa wa hu de me pa chiro no. But ma study ma share Stone Boy interviews be brave. Stone Boy so o say yen kan krepa Stone Boy naturally nya ye space na ye no nani nye ho. Me kan cracho me se manya abotra hwe Stonebwoy interviews bad the audio. Da bia utie Stonebwoy kasa ompani a ekoso no ase wo hu we didi we atem we ye say wo hu ompe muntie ni yo ompe ye wade bi wo okra nkasa nyeden empe but environment na ye be watu mu no any nkrofo around you no ebe mo apesa de no. That is my observation about Stonebwoy. Online tokwa no ne wo santo because all talent and you Stonebwoy benya kay space no enya about talent enya about creativity enya about one with the metro no. But mintimi who say unfortunately you said you omo matwa Stonebwoy ho ahia no san crofo no ye crofo a omo na ma Stonebwoy enya ahoto sa o hwe asema o ka kire wi se ekoma ye o se den no mami me o kra o ya de o control papa o ya de normally so you be asabi we are a little bit violent ka so nsema be ka kire no no kebe kwa fan se me braba ana Tili ade ba ko pe na mpesa o ti ase eni due ye nyina ni mpempen so Stonebwoy drew ye ansana sa PR ne ho ahwan ni omo ma beji Stonebwoy brand na boso ene no omo ba ye nyina enim se na Stonebwoy drew mpempen so odu e wo ne career ma wie the whole world obi enim mpempen so Stonebwoy drew e wo ne career mu ye nyina enim omo support and aso mo hold Stonebwoy down e ma ni drew sam mpempen so no. I can say 100% says ama we mo magic Stonebwoy brand now aboso no obia bibia nim obia shi dim Tili me kind of crash now no they are doing me study no mo ye and no mo ko platform so say mo ka I said wow eye masu metiase o ma oba position bia na o pese o kate o part be free o krama obia nwene kra say enkrofo bi mpo existed before or no. And you now know, or yeah, everything in her power say, yeah, can Stonebwoy or say onu dina yeka. But mommy, emfa, me cannot crash no. Ni oya no, nya oya no, ye who be da. Tili, nia omode ya no, ye who dia chesa. Tili, kwa kuma tu yem din. Mami, enkasa enko ba bia kwa nkodi di obi ata, wo de kwa kuma tu yem din. Na yema emre enye na dwuma. Wo pese wo hu ni a eba. Wo pese wo hu ni a eba. Koshe Aishamodi past records. Koshe Aishamodi past records. Koshe Aishamodi past records about support of the man Stonebwoy. Whether directly or indirectly. Koshe. And you say no bit radio so di watem can send be because Stonebwoy be any pro kakra bi amana. Mami me mani nya wanwa. Nia oyen kwa Stonebwoy na ni nyi ho. Nia oyen metima catch us Stonebwoy na ni nyi ho. Kra. Dabi. Aboy ni nyi ho. Na ni nyi ho. Because when you are living in the glass house, you don't throw stones. I grow with the second. Hey yo. Tili, Obapa, emane how that. Wait, yomu ye, enko bebia. Omo time beso nansi ya. Onti ase. Se Aishamodi crown survival e camp wa. Aishamodi mo an survival e camp wa. Tili wait. Emane how that. Obapa. Mami, emane how that. Me na me kind of cry. Emane how that. Because enko bebia. Enko bebia. Ken kwa. Ude momun di watem, momun disrespect, ude momun can the also mu can be the time is coming. Yen na e Ghana. E your presidents, in this been see though. The omo ye no, omo pese omo di omo history, e can Stonebwoy history, who say omo na make Stonebwoy. But I'm telling you, emphatically today say omu ntimi meka Stonebwoy history ho da yen tro Stonebwoy bibia amfo mu nka ho da because omu nye Stonebwoy na mu so mu nye bibia amfa mo ane da me na meka no kra kire na omu beji omu de enche bi omu beji omu de tam ni nyanso de eboboba na eno achi no obeti nsem me wish obia bad luck Debbie because yes Debbie me yes ade no but ushe precedence na Stonebwoy brand no ye brander nya ade a Stonebwoy betre ho say obi 2x4 no ma bi okọ radio so kokan enti no brand no one ne dia ana Stonebwoy empesa ade no kra Debbie and it is so imagine ne say omo disrespect ya man for mo disrespect o say be ya ye be hu enko ba bia mami enko ba bia Enchaye. Me pese me come bia but enchaye. Some no catch no enchaye. Me ya say see o Peace FM so. On say platforms we mo no na your platform a ye kra da so. Platform a hu say bibi ko so kro ho no ani ache. But say see ano wo bibia ye bibi enti wo bibia ye bibi enti ye pese be come bia but Tili this be back on come to yam. Asema make up a video we first say Tili. Ada ade ni be so no be kam say ha Bonah ka asem we manye na ani da. But ade be si no. Ade be si no uye video a. O start ya di kan ka say ya o. Ya. Me say I shall modimpo and survive a. Di omu ye. Omu titi UTV ni keka. Peace FM ni wan. Ko he. Enko be bia. Me na me ka no kra kire.